Man, I'm so hungry I could eat a horse. Then why don't you go eat one? Lamau. Later, loser. Sword? Don't let him get to your head. He's just trying to rage bait you. Okay, Sword? Sword? I'll show him. You're not actually gonna eat an entire horse, right? Right? Rocket. I really don't think it's scientifically possible for Sword to eat an entire horse. Besides, his organs would rupture by the sheer amount of pressure from eating something that huge. Just saying. We should probably just check up on him before he does something stupid. Hey guys! Holy shit! Hell. What's with the look, you guys? Sword, what the fuck are you doing? You just ate a whole entire horse! And what about it? Sword, for fuck's sake, they could have had a family. We could have just took you to the Iron Cafe. Okay, what's going on? Move it, Twink. I can't see. Oh. Hello, Ban. You still hungry for a horse? Well, actually, no. I ate one just now. Oh, really? Let me see. You actually ate a horse? Yeah? Got a problem? Well? Yeah. That's what I thought. How did you even manage to do that? Well, it went like this. And that's how it all happened. Okay, bye, you guys. This is literally all your fault, man. Hey, I didn't know you would do this.
Well, if you didn't tell
I didn't
me
know you would
got
actually
from a
do
horse,
it. Maybe. Dude, I'm telling you. Somebody has eaten an entire horse before. What? Skate, that sounds so stupid. Nobody can eat an entire horse. Pay up. Fuck. I spent all my money on a snack. Well, there's only one thing left to do.